Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge cards in Plants vs. Brainrot. So you will need 3 of the same cards and then you can merge it. For instance, I already have like Tier 2 Whirlwind. I can merge it again, and it's going to go up to the level 3. And I think you can merge it again after. Maybe tier 3 is the largest tier, I guess. But here I'm just going to select the cards and merge. Now it's going to increase to 15% and stuff like that. And just merge your cards until you've reached the highest tier. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.